All right, everyone. So today we have the new and improved G-Wolf's Hati S, now with the 3370 sensor, and this is the wireless variant that is $120.
Pause.
But it's better than it was before. Before, with that cell phone antenna, it was not worth $110 or $120 or even $100 with that craziness. And I'm glad that they've seen our responses, and I'm glad that they changed it. And now this is the new and improved G-Wolf's regular USB, albeit hard to disattach, but you can unattach it, wireless adapter. So this is a lot more normal. You can just plug this into your regular USB port to use your now normal G-Wolf's Hati S Ace Edition that also happens to be wireless and have a 3370. So I've already gone over two of the pretty big changes that G-Wolf's has made to the mouse: improved sensor, fixed the dongle. And this mouse also has one more huge change. So the build quality is a lot better as well. Like, this mouse is really solid, and it better be for $120. But honestly, I really don't have any complaints in terms of the build quality. Like, it's very small. Obviously, personally, I like to use it still with these mouse grips. Like, this is a much better grip for me personally, but without the mouse grips that are indeed included in the box as well. But without the mouse grips, it is a little bit harder to use. And another thing that I noticed compared to, this is just a regular wired Hati S, the Stardust Edition. The Stardust Edition has a little bit grippier of a matte coating, but this one is still like, it's more of a satin coating than it is a matte. It's not necessarily slippery, but it's not super grippy. It's kind of good that it's translucent, and I actually do love like this translucent colorway. But look at the side buttons. Like, there's very little side button play at all. Like, this is incredibly solid, and I'm really impressed with like how much G-Wolf's has improved on the quality of their mice. But most of the specs are still the same as the other Hati S wireless. You still got the KL 8.0 switches, still micro USB, still have this little switch at the bottom, your DPI switcher here. The side buttons are really good, and the PTFE feed that they also give you an extra set in the box, as well as you know, your regular other stuff that comes in the G-Wolf's box, like that little brush that they give you to wipe off your keycaps and all types of other stuff. Now, this little adapter that they give you, like I said, it is a little bit hard to pull this thing apart. Like, at first, I thought that you couldn't detach it. Like, it moves so little, I thought you couldn't detach it. But really, you just have to grab it like really tight, and then pull it out. Like, I don't know. Maybe this is a problem with just the one that I have, or the one that I unboxed. But I also have two more mice that I'm going to be giving away to you guys. So to enter into this giveaway, obviously you got to follow me on Twitter as well as G-Wolf's. I'm going to leave a link to a tweet in the description below. You're gonna click on that, retweet it, and best of luck to two of you who happen to win a wireless G-Wolf's Hati S in this translucent colorway that also happens to be blue. And that's pretty much all I have to say about the Hati S wireless. I mean, if this is the final version of it, I'm actually pretty happy with this being the final version of the Hati S wireless, just because now I feel like the mouse is in such a point where it's very easy for me to recommend it. Even at $120, realistically speaking, this is a smaller G Pro wireless and is very similar in weight, which is part of the reason why I have a little bit of a problem with it. I do wish that they were able to get down to like 50 grams. So now I wonder what's gonna take for G-Wolf's to get down to 50 grams, keep the same level of build quality. I don't know if they're going to be able to get rid of the holes, but to be honest, the holes don't really bother me, especially since I need this extra little bit of padding here on the side as well, because this just makes it usable for big-handed users. But otherwise, if you're a small-handed user, you'll do fine without these little grips, unless you just want some extra grip. But seriously, G-Wolf's, 50 grams, I'll give you 52. 52 grams, okay, wireless, symmetrical, $120, no more. Like, seriously, like $120, you're kind of at the cap here. Like, wireless mice that aren't the Razer Viper, which nobody buys at $150, aren't the G Pro wireless, which it's $150 bucks. I mean, It's steep. It's good, but it's steep. And the final mouse Starlight, which is also $190, but it's also sold out, so it kind of doesn't matter, even though it kind of does. G-Wolves, get this mouse under 50 grams, charge no more than $120, and I think we got a deal, because that would be a pretty insane mouse. Now, I also want to see the full-size Hati M. Okay, where's that mouse? That should also be $120. But to be honest, if it was less, you would take even more attention from the G Pro Wireless if you had a similar weight for a bigger mouse. Whatever the regular size is, that better not be more than 60 grams, bro, because if the small one is 60 grams, you should be able to do some improvements, get this down to like 52, and get the bigger one up to 60 at a maximum. 62 grams. That's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna leave you guys with some gameplay of some Splitgate Arena that I've been playing a lot over the past like week. I've been having a ton of fun on that game, but yeah, if you guys are looking for something new to play, definitely check out Splitgate, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video, and don't forget to join the giveaway as well. Enjoy the gameplay.